fan beam is off center, but it's directly in the center of the roof. Our end panels are going to be different sizes, so we have to take a measurement. When I measure this, I've got 12 inches to the outside of the beam. When I measure my panel, 12 inches here, and my measurement over there leaves me an extra 2 inches on the board. So I'm going to split the difference. And when I cut it, it's going to be 13 inches plus here, and I've got 32.5 over there. It's going to be 33.5 there. Use the extra material, don't waste it. The customer is never going to be upset with you for giving them an extra inch of shade with their roof. Okay, at this point, since we have our panels up, now is the time to take the critical measurement for the space from here right up against the roof panel to the end of the roof beam. Okay, so we take that measurement now on this end and that end. This way, when we put them up there, everything is cut exactly and it looks perfect. Okay, make sure before you cut your panel and before you mark it that you mark the right side of the panel, because each roof panel has a male side and a female side. Since the panels are 3 inches thick and the saw doesn't cut all the way through, we have to cut one side, flip it over, mark it again exactly, and then cut through on the other side. So this is how, when you flip it over, you want to be very careful, because where this cut is could give a weak point, and you don't want to pick it up by one of the pieces that you're cutting off, because you could truly bend the other side. So as you see, Mike and I will pick this up and we'll flip it over carefully without putting any pressure on the cut area. Blow me.
All right. Okay.
All right, now that we've completed the cut, it's time to separate the two and put them where they need to go. You can see that if you set your saw right and you do it properly, it's going to give you a nice even cut all the way through. 2, 3. That looks like it's in. Get it in not too far, because I still have to come out over 12 inches here. Okay, we ready? 1, on 3. 1, 2, 3. We have to adjust the panel back towards the house about 3/4 of an inch. Anytime you do this, always use a block of wood in the styrofoam. Don't hit on the metal, because you will mangle your panel and you'll be buying a new one.
You hit once, reset. Hit another time, reset, and that'll prevent that block from jumping.
Prior to screwing them down to the beam, take your level. Go around, make sure your posts are plumbed, because with all the knocking around we did, we're out a little bit. Drawing a line on the rooftop so that I could put the roof screws down into the beam. Check your engineering, because not all fasteners in every town are 6 inches apart. But I do believe 6 inches is the go-to to be safe and secure. As you can see, these small screws, which are about 1 inch, they're a self-drilling hex-shaped screw. Mike is putting them in 8 inches apart, all the way across on the C-channel into the roof panel. We put these down in the top and in the bottom to support everything. I am installing these 5-inch screws with this large washer and the neoprene underneath, which seals it and holds this roof down.